Today I'm going to read you an excerpt from Journal. And I found a book called Journal. It's fantastic. I'm not so much as reading it as I want you at home to read. Now I'm preserving somebody's memories and thoughts here, because this book was found in a secondhand store. I'm not going to purchase it. I'm just going to preserve the memory of whoever this character is. Their Christmas, their good and bad. Oh, they're God in bad. They're two pig LG is Caleb cat dad mom. Fantastic. Enjoy that. So I put an APB out. Who is Caleb? Who is this like the okay is with? This is some deep stuff. This is cryptic. Who is Caleb? Hashtag. Who is Caleb? And what does this black balloon mean? Or is it a worm going into a hole? The world may never know. Oh, his rendition of Sonic. The blue streak that speeds by is too fast for the naked eye. Sonic. Why is his face across? The world may never know. Hashtag. Who is Caleb? Look at his Mickey. He's trying to tell us something. Who is this Disney? He's clearly trying to tell us something. If you can find the secrets within these writings, then I implore you, please. Hashtag who is Caleb. Oh, deep. See the face in that? Maybe that's where Mickey went. Maybe that's Sonic having a tantrum. And we end on the most prolific thing of all. Hashtag who is Caleb. Does he live in a pineapple under the sea? Is he too fast for the naked eye? Who is Caleb? And don't forget, please subscribe or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora.
Double butterfly, it's a double, 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 double butterfly.